Good morning, friends. Good morning, Prajwal. Good morning, Amit. Yesterday we had a bit of bad luck on our put option. It hasn't given us time to enter. I mean, we were waiting for 5 minutes for it to cross above 61, but unfortunately it climbed above 61 only after that and then moved till 95. Little bit of bad luck. Anyways, we will get our opportunities every day. We are going to get opportunities. No need to worry about it. So now, you may not worry. Guys, is my screen visible and audio clear? Just want to ensure. Couple of minutes back, it was showing black screen. I think now it is correct. Yeah. Let me open my commodities list where we could take trades when we get an opportunity. First, if I open my default setups, then in between the market hours, we will check it for maybe every half an hour. And if there is an opportunity, we can pick a trade. So now, I feel like metals may take a breather today. Yesterday they went very good. So today they may take a breather. Let's see where we have settled. Yeah, pre-open has settled flat. It's not like the way SGX has showed us 30 points or 40 points or something like that. It's pretty flat. 575 the large size of it. What are the important things which we can see here? They come up 1%. Nothing very strange or nothing very exciting. Tata Motors up 0.5%. Bajaj Finance down 0.19. Both HDFC and HDFC Bank are down. So that's how it is. Let's see how it goes. And for today, we should wait for a dip, actually speaking. Or else, if it comes near 16,350 odd levels, we can sell. So as in between the range of 16,120 to 16,350, it's a no trade zone. So please be careful. Yes, we have started, and yes, very good. Nifty is showing open low. So if it doesn't break, we can move on the higher side. Let's take some risk. Let's see whether I can figure out something. Nifty 16,400. Very sharp move. Today once again Bank Nifty is picking up. Let us see. I'm not in a hurry. Good morning, Bharat. Today is Fin Nifty expiry, right? VIX climbed again 24.7. That's not good, actually speaking. Either it needs to come down or we need to go up. Escorts down, Maruti, M&M. Even the autos which were strong all these days is facing some struggle. Already Escorts turned negative. Tata Steel finally picks up after yesterday's serious fall. Remember, yesterday it was a news based fall. There are chances it can come back today. This is frenzy. What kind of move is this? Guys, if you people have any queries, you may ask. I think I have not posted our YT link in our channel. Yes, VIX is on the higher side. That's the challenge which I'm seeing now. I think risk takers can go with 16,000 put for today, but I'm not taking anything right now. I'm just going to wait for some time and allow something to happen on a directional way, and then yeah, VIX and markets cannot move on a same direction. Remember it, India VIX and let me take any call now. Just a minute. Just a minute. I will post a call for my members and then come back. I've just given a call to my members. I will throw it across to you people also. Posted it in Telegram as well. And we'll just post over here too. Voice is breaking. I'm not sure about it, sir. Let me check my settings. So probably now it may be clear. I have unplugged my headphone and replugged it again. So probably now it may be clear a bit. We are going with logic, no charts or nothing else. We are going with the logic because it's highly impossible that bricks and broader market go in the same direction. They need to go in a opposite direction. If VIX is trading higher, market is supposed to go down. Or if market is trading higher, VIX is supposed to go down. Thank you. Thank you for the confirmation, Satish. Yeah, 16,000 put crossed 81. Look at the way Nifty is falling. I booked my 16,000 put. You can exit wherever you want. Targets has been given to my members. Targets are a bit different, not the uh, one where I exited. flew like a rocket. 95 now from 66. It's very simple, guys. VIX and Nifty cannot go in the same direction. Very, very simple. Cannot go. It needs to go in a opposite direction. That is the rule by default. If you know the logic, you can do wonders. We have not seen any charts. We have just seen the screen, and VIX is also higher and Nifty is also higher. We went in an assumption that VIX will dominate broader markets and went for a short trade or a put option trade, and we succeeded over. See, I'm not just joking. I'm saying you the logics. No, nobody will say you these kind of logics and explain things to you. Have seen some long calls in few channels, but we violated everything and just took a put and made some money. That too in the first 15 minutes of the trade. Like we expected, zinc, aluminum, copper, all three are in negative zone. NJ is also taking a break at higher levels. Copper 783 will be the stop loss. Let me see where the current price is. 783. Let me calculate the buying levels. Oh, this is not the buying case. So the present half an hour candle must complete. Only then we can be able to find out the buying levels. Friends, in between, if you have any queries, just keep posting. We will answer. We are done with our first trade, taken some profits out. Let markets do whatever it want. We will try to gain some knowledge in between. I think whether you have traded or not, at least you could have gained some knowledge today that VIX and broader markets cannot go in the same direction. Globally, it was green. How come our index are in red? Who said globally we are green? Let me check. I have seen Nikkei trading in red and Shanghai also trading in red. Bro, you are. I think you have seen. I mean, what is his name? Satish. I think you have seen something. Uh, I mean, yesterday's close. I think you have seen yesterday's close of European markets and US markets, and then saying that globally we are in green. That's not the stuff. Japan is down 0.5%. Hang Seng is down 1.35%. Taiwan is down 0.5%. Korean markets are down 0.85%. Jakarta index is the only one which is up 1.2%. Shanghai is down 1.1%. This is the global structure as of now. You need to see the markets which are open right now. You should not see the ones which have closed, because those are available in futures, and those futures will be at this time will be trading in red. If you want, you can go and check in investing.com. You will see that all the futures will be quoting in red. Forget about whether we are trading in, global markets trading in green or red or whatsoever it is. It's a very, very simple logic, bro. India VIX and VIX, which is the volatility index, and broader markets cannot go in the same direction. That is the rule of markets. It needs to go in opposite direction. If VIX is high, market needs to go down. If VIX is low, market must go up. See where India VIX is. Since in the morning itself, in first 5 or 10 minutes itself, he has broken 25. So VIX about 25 means we are supposed to drift down. At that time, Nifty was quoting around 16,240 odd levels. Now it has come back. That's it. Very simple. Now we may bounce from here, but if we bounce from here, VIX will definitely crack. 100. Just give me a minute. I will place a buy order for myself and then come back. Yes, I have placed my buy order. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Yeah, just a minute. I will post. I'm just posting one call to my members. Yes, I have posted a call for my members. Now I am expecting some bit of rally once Nifty reaches 1605. I mean 150. From 150, maybe 5 or 10 points here or there. From there, we can see a up move. But if that level also is broken, then 16080 is on cards for today intraday. So if you are holding puts, just stay cautious. That is the advice which I can give you people now. I have been seeing one idiotic group where that fellow tries to cheat everyone. He is just giving one number. Okay. From that number, if it falls, he claims benefit, and from that number, if it goes high, for that also he is claiming benefits. I'll just read one thing. Yesterday, he has posted a message saying Nifty future trend decider level for this week 16,465. Okay, this was his message. He have not even reached 16,400. He never said to sell around 16,400 with a stop of 16,465. Okay. Yesterday high was 16,398 and now it came to 16,126. Now he is posting an update saying Nifty futures from 16,398 to 16,126. Sellers enjoying huge profits. I don't know what kind of call he has given, but he is claiming benefits for it. Please don't get trapped with such idiotic people whose intention is only to fool the others, not to do something good. Which should be in opposite direction. Too much of messages. I think I have missed something. Satish, yes, sir. Closing basis of Dow Jones. Understood. Yes. Okay. Okay. Right. If you have understood that, then fine, bro. See, if you are in our channel and our listening to our videos and seeing to my messages, you will definitely learn something about markets. I'm not a kind of guy who keeps all the secrets in between me, within myself, and it goes for a vain. Okay, I teach everything to my members as much as possible. Sudha, good morning, ma'am. Up to what level we can add Tata Steel? 900 is the level till you can add. Tata Steel. For general JSPL, it will be like somewhere around 360 levels. Until that level, you can add. NMDC is a good dividend paying. See, NMDC is like you said, it is a very good dividend paying company. You can add, but the thing is, it will be a slow mover. Okay, it will not move like in aggression like Tata Steel or JSPL. It will move slowly, but it will give good dividends year on year. Right. Let's look at L&T charts. Actually, this particular company is showing some signs of bottoming out. Yeah, my default setup. Let me see the spot charts instead of futures. Yes. Spot chart of L&T. Yes. Very nice move in last couple of days. Trading about 20 moving average. Retested the 20 moving average today. Came very close. High probability of moving on the higher side if broader market reverses. Let me Yeah, this call itself is a good one. Let me give it to my members and then come back over here. Yes, I have given a call for my members on LNT. LNT 1680 call. Levels I will not be able to mention over here because that's exclusively for premium members. It's one of my golden egg too, so I'll not be able to mention over here. Steel LD 15900. Luckily, we exited our ICICI bank call yesterday itself. If we would have assumed and kept it till now, we would have gone for a toss. Yeah. Guys, and if you have any queries, just keep posting. We will be answering each and every query of yours as and when I see. Zomato at 65, 15% up. Do you know what happened to this particular stock? What we were discussing about Paytm yesterday, we were saying that 695 will be the next target, right? 642. Today's high is 642. Both HDFC twins has turned green. So there are good chances that we can bounce back from here. We expected to bounce back from 50 or 16150 zones. The low is 16154. 0.50. We are almost close to that level, so probably we could move, but whether it will sustain or not, that will be a different ball game. But as of now, we could move on a higher side to a small extent. Look at VIX. VIX is also coming down from 25.8. We have seen at 25.8, right, couple of minutes back. Yeah, 25.82 is the high. It has slowly drifted. So if that is going to dip, this will climb on the higher side. Let's see how it goes. Good morning, Anil sir. I'm holding Lupin 680 call. 680 or 980. I think Lupin is trading above 900, right? Oh, what happened to Lupin? From 900 it came down to 600. I was not even watching this stock. Probably some bad results are split. No, if it is a split kind of thing, it could have been changed, right? Okay, anyways, let's see. Actually, speaking, sir, Lupin is having a very bad chart setup, but the things are looking oversold territory. So probably if 600 is holding, I think it will not break 600. Even if it breaks 600 intraday, the day's close will be above 600. So if 600 holds, we can expect a move till 655. Only if 655 is taken out, we can see it trying to fill this gap at 680. So since it is a next month call, I would suggest you to hold until this series ends, and from Friday onwards, if it closes below 600, you are supposed to exit, or else you can keep holding your position. 655 will be coming soon if 600 holds. At that time, you take a decision whether to exit or not based on the move during that time. What is the level given for Tata Steel yesterday? They have given one Hero Zero call for Tata Steel June series, right? 1100 call. He came almost to our buying levels. Our suggested entry was between 23 to 25. Bank Nifty shows some aggressive hold. Let's see whether he can take up markets. Let me pick some Bank Nifty call. 30, where is now 34 500? Let's see. 34 500 call of Bank Nifty It's currently quoting around 230 to 40 odd levels. Chart setup is not good. Let's wait if it is days low. 203. Risk takers who are willing to take Bank Nifty long can take 34 500 call around 230 235 with the stop loss below 5 points below days low, which is 197. 197 will be your stop loss. You can try your luck. Let me post that call to my members. Not by BN 34 500 CV around 35. BLF 350 call. Yes. Any questions, friends? Anil sir, I have answered your query. The fall which we have seen in metals counter was a news based fall, and it may last for, and that candle cannot be ignored because of 12 to 15% down moves on all the individual scripts, so it cannot be ignored. Maybe for another couple of days, either all the metal counters will uh, either consolidate or move at least another 5% from here. Banks are reversing a bit. I mean to say the entire Bank Nifty counter. Actually, Nifty has broken the morning low and came down, but Bank Nifty hasn't done so. See the charts. This was the morning low. Let me go to Bank Nifty spot. This was the morning low. That low was not broken. Whereas, if you see Nifty, this was the morning low and that low is getting broken and it has gone on the downside. Since it is Fin Nifty expiry today, we could see some last hour move on Fin Nifty, which will obviously take the Bank Nifty also on its direction. The components which we have in Bank Nifty, the major components, are part of Fin Nifty also. HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak, State Bank of India, everything are part of Fin Nifty also. So most probably, if that moves, this will also move. Fin Nifty is a little bit illiquid, and we are seeing very less moves over there. Even during last week, the move came only in the last hour. Until that, it was stagnant. So we need not rush to take any hero or zero trades now. We'll wait and see whether if we can get some opportunity by 1:32 or that kind of time. Bank Nifty call option has given you 15 rupees. Whether you book or exit or trial, that depends upon your risk appetite. I will not be able to recommend anything over there because the call has been given to my members. Any other questions or queries? The interesting thing is the 13 moving average is trying to do a crossover without even a candle falling in between. That is little bit strange. Maybe we can it's trying to confuse everyone, or whether it will go here and then come down, not sure. But anyways, we need to maintain proper stop loss for our 34,500 call. It is a crossover, but still we are trading on. When if there is a crossover, obviously this one should move up. That is the logic, but it was not happening. So let us see how it goes. Any questions, friends? Bit boring. At least if you people ask some questions, it will be interesting. Something went wrong. My YouTube window got shut down. Yeah, I have reopened it. Similar thing happens, right? See the charts, it went and then came down. It's purely because of the thing which we have suggested. Because if there is a crossover happened and green thing is on the higher side, obviously the upcoming bars should move on the higher side of both the lines, or at least above the red line. But over here it has not happened. That was the stuff which made us a bit jittery. Anyways, let's see. Nifty is very weak today. It's 0.5% down. As I said earlier, even the ones which were strong all these days, last 2-3 days, autos has become negative today. So that's the big disappointment. And apart from this, DVs, after fantastic results yesterday it cracked 10% and today it has cracked another 6.5%. It is actually a valuation gap, I guess, because I compare Divi's with Dr. Reddy's. Divi's is not a very big company like Dr. Reddy's, but for the last 1 year, Divi's share price was trading at par with Dr. Reddy's or higher than that of Dr. Reddy's. That is not a fair deal when it comes to both the companies. Divi's is a smaller company when compared to Dr. Reddy's. I'm not saying about uh, their units. I'm saying about their business patterns. Let me figure out anything comes over here. I think let's check whether what has aluminum done, whether it has given opportunity or not. No, he has not given opportunity. Our sell was around 246.8 to 247. The call was given at let me see the timing. Call was given at 9:35. After 9:35, he has not even climbed 246.5. But our entry is at 246.8 to 247. So which means levels got negated. One of my good friend is short, it seems. He keeps on posting all justifications for shorting today. Probably he could be correct, but I never go with analysis of my friends or other members. I always trust my own analysis. All others are secondary. Sometimes they win, sometimes I win. That's it. But every time I don't win, or every time they don't also win. So that's the approach with me. I have gone with some logics. Maybe if my logic works, fine. If it not works, okay. Then also fine. I would learn that my logic went wrong and I should not follow that logic in future. That's it. Can Bank Nifty take out 243 before 10:30? If that happens, maybe a quick 10-20 points up move will happen. 10 to 15 to 20 points. Very clever. He has not taken 243. Keep posting if you have any queries, guys. I'll just be back in a moment. We were expecting 243 to get crossed before 10:30, but it crosses at 10:31. That is a bit weird, right? That's how market functions. Anyways, let's see. It is slowly coming up. Let, let me pull out my option chain analysis. That might help us to understand. Even the banks have turned negative. Couple of things. My friends are making me thinking again and again whether I am on the wrong side. Almost 5 to 6 members have posted short bank nifty, short nifty, everything. But still, my analysis says that I should be on the long side. It's a fight between one versus five as of now. I don't know whether who will win, those five people or myself, but I trust my analysis. That is the only thing which I believe. But one fellow has given a conditional sell. Wow, I am correct on my analysis. From 230 to 265, Bank Nifty 34 600. I mean 34 500 call. Uh, See, that's what this is what I said, guys. I never trust others, or I never blame others when it comes to markets. I do my own analysis and I go as per that. Even if something goes wrong, let me learn something out of it. BN 34 500 call. This was the bar which I am looking for. Couple of minutes back I have discussed, right? This was the bar which I was looking for, because it's very simple and evident that when things go in bull's favor, the moving average must be lower and the current market price, whatever it is trading, it must be higher. That's it. Very simple. No big logics, no big drama like that. Nifty is still facing selling pressure, but Bank Nifty alone is climbing up. Now, maybe in next couple of minutes, if one bar, if the next bar after the 1039, after 1039, 1040 bar will be formed, right? If that bar is getting formed above these both two moving averages, in next maybe half an hour or so, there will be a crossover that red line will go down and green line will come up. Just wait and watch. We have done two good trades. It's not a compulsion that we need to do some nonsense kind of work back to back again. Just learn as much as you can. Just wait and watch. If this 1040 bar, the complete bar, is getting formed above these two lines, if that happens, from there within next 6 candles, I mean 30 minutes, there will be a crossover of smaller moving average and the higher moving average. Let's wait and see whether it is happening or not. If my market reading is correct, it must happen. That's it. It must. I don't say it may not, could not come, this kind of stuff. When I am confident on my analysis, I will say that this will happen. I am expecting a retracement till 16200, sir. Will short near 16200. No, Bharat, shorting near 16200 is not a wise thing. The broader market range is between 15,800 to 16,400. Shorting somewhere near 16,350 to 380 will be a very good idea, which we should have done yesterday, but don't do it today around 200. If 222 is getting crossed on Nifty, it will fly like a rocket and touch even 16,400 today. If you still want to go and short near 16,200, then you need to maintain a proper stop loss. VIX has come near 25.20. If it breaks 25 and go on the downside, stays on the downside for some time, then it will be bit good for bulls for intraday. It's Nifty which is putting everything for a toss, even the small kind of up moves for a toss. Just one after one is getting falling because of this. Hindustan Unilever had a superb rally on the upside in last couple of weeks. From 2050 it went till 2400 odd levels, and then he is retracing a bit. Maybe if it comes to 2275, we can initiate a long over there. Maybe 23,000, sorry, 2300 call could for Jan series could be a good bet when it comes to 2275. If Nifty picks up a bit, then it will be very good. But the problem is he is not picking up. Guys, any questions? Just keep posting. Tata Steel 1020 hold பண்ணி மேலே போகுமா? Ma'am, Tata Steel வந்து it has given a serious breakdown. That too because of negative news. Okay, Tata Steel chartsலேயே பார்க்கலாம். சரியா? It has gone way below. Okay, it has broken all the supports. Now the round number of 1000 will become the serious support. Maybe if இப்போ லாங் போகிறதுனா 995 வந்து you can have a stop loss. If 995 goes, immediate exit, or else you can hold it maybe for 1050 target within this expiry. I'm saying because there are heavy shots. So even if there is minor short covering, we can see it moving till 1050 odd zones, Tata Steel. But ensure that whether your broker allows you to carry position till expiry day with normal margin, because generally speaking brokers are not allowing nowadays. Just check once. One not 7.55 is the high. VIX 25.1009 kind of stuff. Can he come below 25 and sustain over there? All kind of dips are getting bought into. Whatever the dip it may be, they are getting bought into. The thing is, couple of minutes back we have discussed, right? One, this particular bar, if it forms above these two lines, then we can see a crossover in next 6 candles. But see what it has done. It has touched the lower end of the, I mean, touched one of the moving averages. So this uh, another half an hour crossover will not happen. One complete bar needs to be found above this particular two lines. Only then it will happen within half an hour from that particular time. L&T, actually speaking, the stock price is falling, but 1680 option price is not coming down that much. We were trying to catch it around 30, but it's at 32 levels for a very long time. Mm, friends, we are at 11. Any questions or queries or any stocks, individual stocks to be reviewed? If anything like that, we can discuss. Okay, 11:10 now. We will wind off today's session. We'll catch up tomorrow. Have a good day, guys. We have done two good trades today. Wait for any good opportunity to take trades. When we get such opportunity, I will post levels in our Telegram channel. So stay tuned over there. We will catch up tomorrow morning by 9 a.m. Bye for now. See you all.